everyone, kindly read the given inequality. 4x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 11. Okay, so we need to solve and graph the given linear inequality in one variable. So step 1, we need to simplify both sides. So this time, ang gamitin natin si transposition method. So how to use transposition method? Just combine similar terms. So based on the given, what are similar terms? 4x and 2x. Ma'am, bakit naging similar terms si 4x at 2x? Kasi po, sila yung term na parehas may variable. Okay, what we're going to do? We need to transpose what? Ano ang ililipat natin? Si 2x papunta sa 4x, papunta sa left side. Na kapag nilipat si 2x, dumaan ka ng inequality sign, si positive 2x ay magiging negative. So, si 4x, assist lang yan, copy lang po. Then 4x minus 2x na po siya. Then itong inequality symbol, kokopyahin lang po. Then after that, ano po yung bukod sa 4x and 2x, ano pa ang similar terms? 11 and negative 5. Anong tawag kay 11 at negative 5? Very good, parehas silang constant. Bakit constant? Number lang, walang katabing variable. So si 11, i-bring down ko lang yan kasi dapat nasa right side lahat ng constant. Then we need to transpose negative 5. What will be the sign? Okay, magiging positive na po. Then after that, combine similar terms na. 4x minus 2x. Very good, 2x. Then, greater than or equal to 11 plus 5, 16. Then what is the last step? Okay, so what we're going to do now? Divide both sides by 2. Kahit ito lang po, kasi si x kailangan matira yan. O, cancel na po yan. Bring down x. So, nag-divide tayo, positive 2. O, do you think we need to reverse the inequality symbol? No, kailan lang nagre-reverse? Kapag negative lang po. So, since positive 2, just copy lang yan. Then, 16 divided by 2. Okay, therefore, this is the solution set for the given linear inequality. Then, after that, last step, we need to graph using a number line. Okay, so I will draw a number line. Anong number ilalagay ko sa gitna, anak? 8. And then add sa right ng tatlo. Anong number yon? 9, 10, 11. Sa left? 7, 6, 5. Okay, then after that, identify na natin yung dot. If it is solid, or if it is open or closed dot. Based on the given, open or closed? Okay, meaning 8 is included or not? Okay, very good. 8 is included. Okay, check natin kung included. So, palitan natin anak si x ng 8. Do you think 8 is greater than or equal to 8? True or false? True. So, meaning true statement, tama, 8 is included. Then, the direction is going to the right or left? Right. Kasi po, greater than or equal to. So, ipatong lang natin anak yung line. Then, don't forget to write arrow. So, meaning the solution sets are 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on.